In this video, I'm going to tell you how to create subparser. Subparser is a nested parser in a parser. With the help of subparser, you can create commands. So let's see how we can create a subparser. First of all, create a variable subparser equal to parser dot add subparser method. Okay, so this is the variable and this is the parser. This is parser object and this is a method. Okay, now I'm adding a subparser. I'm setting here create and one help message create directories. Now add the argument for this create command. Only one argument and you can set help message or you can just leave it blank. Args parser dot par parse dot arg. Yes. Let's run this one. So here I'm getting nothing. Okay, let's create command. Sorry, create minus d hello. So d equal to hello and this hello is a part of a list. Okay, so let's make the commands. If just removing the spaces, extra lines, if args com, args d equal to something. So you can see I have imported the OS module os.mkdir and whatever the directories d because this represent a list. Uh, in this syntax, with this syntax, I'm getting the first element of a list, first item of a list, that is a directory name. Okay, and in the end, I'm writing a message. Done. Now let's run. Okay, done. Let's see the directories. Captain directory is present at the current path. Okay, now I'm creating a new parser for the deleting directories. I'm just changing the name for convention. Delete here, delete. Okay, so this for delete and this for create. Now let's run the code with the delete option. Iron Man. Now I can see if I use delete option, still my code is creating a directories. Still it is creating a directories because D is a sub option. It's like a option within a command. So command is create, D is a option, But you can see D is still working like a create directories. Okay, because our code can't differentiate whether this D is for delete or create. Okay, so we need something to determine this D is for create, and if I'm using delete minus D, it means that that delete is for the deletion purpose. So we can do one thing. I can add dest here command. Okay, I'm making commit this line. You can see command equal to delete here. Now our code can differentiate that is delete, not a create, and that is create, not delete. Okay, so I'm making one more if statement here. If args command equal to create, then perform these options. And similarly, if args command equal to delete, then os.rmdir and same option and done. Okay, you can use this one. It is your choice. Okay. Now, first of all, let's create a directory. Create um, Thor. Oh, error. Let's see the fact. Python subparser create minus d Thor. So let's see. We have the Thor directory? Yes, newly created directory Thor. Now I'm deleting that directory with the help of delete command. Okay. Now let's see. You can see there is no Thor directory. Okay. So in this way, we can make subparsers. Means one command, then option. Second command, then option. Okay. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Thank you very much.